Okay, good morning. We start, even though only you alone won't. We need to continue our lesson. Hold on, saya type dulu di sini. Okay, enlargement. Today we learn about enlargement. Okay, what is the meaning of similarity of geometric objects? Okay, if you look at this photo, okay, this is the house model which are similar to the real house. Okay, this means that the house model have the same shape as the real houses despite the different size. Okay, same size but same shape but different size. Okay, so what are the properties of two similar geometric objects? So how do you want to know? Okay, this activity will give you how to recognize the similarity of geometric object. Okay, given two triangle at a different size. Okay, triangle ABC and PQR. So ABC is the smaller one and PQR is the bigger one. So in this activity, actually we need to recognize the angle, but to recognize the angle we need to use protector. Okay, we need to use protector, but I just use a computer here, so I cannot use protector. But for you, you can use your protector to measure the size of angle. Okay, I want to enhance about the length of side. Cikgu mau tekankan pada length of side. Okay, look at triangle ABC, the side of AB. We choose the this is the horizontal line because it's easy to measure. Okay, because the triangle draw on the grid paper, so we can count the box or the unit of the grid. Okay, here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 units. Okay, and then for PQ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there are 8 units. So we need to find the ratio. So the ratio is the bigger one divided to the, actually not the bigger one. Okay, this is the randomly. So 8 divided by 4. Okay, so we get 2, isn't it? Okay, and we try for another side. Okay, for side BC, okay, we can count actually 1, 2, 3. So we get 3 units of side BC. And then for P, what's this? QR. QR, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 units. So when we divide 6 divided by 2, 3, so we get 2. Okay, we get 2. And also for sides CA, actually we can count this one. 1, 2, 3. So 3. And then for PR, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 extra. So actually we get 2 also for the ratio. So all the sides get the same value of ratio. So that means these both of these triangle, we can conclude that they are similar. Okay, similar. Okay, look at this result. Okay, the result of the activities show that 2 geometry objects are similar. Why similar? Because all the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, this we use the protector. And then for the ratio of the corresponding side also equal. Okay, we calculate just now. Okay, so we get the ratio is 2, all 2. Okay, so that's mean these triangles are similar. Okay, get it? That is the property of similarity. Okay, look at example 7. Okay, don't look at the solution first. We just try. Okay, for this one, we want to determine whether these 2 objects is similar. Okay, look at this one. The 47, here no 47, but the interior angle of triangle is 180, right? So 180 minus 79 minus 54. So actually we get 47 here. Okay, we get 47. And then for this one, interior angle 180 minus 47 minus 79, we get 54. Okay, 54. So that means the all corresponding angles are equal. So that means these 2 geometric objects are similar. Okay, get it? Okay, look at B. Okay, B, here, look at the angle. The angle, of course, If you look at the angle, all the angles are equal because this one is 100, 100, 120, 120. This one also same. And then for sure, you will get this is the same angle. And then look at the side, okay? Something like different length, isn't it? But we can find the ratio, okay? For example, DE, okay? DE, sorry lambat sikit sebab cikgu guna mouse di komputer ni. And equal to ST. ST, okay? So that's mean here 10 divided by 8. Okay, if 10 divided by 8, kita dapat berapa? 10 divided by 8, we get actually 1 point. Okay, we can write 8. Sorry. Okay, actually we can write in decimal point. Still can, huh? 1.25. And then we try another another side. Okay, let's say 8 over which one? 6.4. 6.4. Okay, what we get? 8 divided by 6.4. So we get 1.25 as well. Okay, so that's mean, okay, actually you can try another side. Okay, you will get the same ratio. So that's mean both of these shape are similar. Okay, what about this one? Okay, if we look at the angle, the angles equal, isn't it? Okay, all angles are in right angle. Okay, right angle. But what about this side? Okay, if you look at this one, 12 and 6. The ratio is 2, isn't it? What about this one? 10 and 6. We cannot get 2, right? So these two geometric objects not similar. Okay? Okay, now look at the solution. Betul tak? Sama tak dengan yang kita bincangkan? See, this is the similar because of we can get 47 and 54. And then for B, all we get the same ratio. Okay, this is 1.25. So this is the similar object. And then for D, okay, we got different ratio. So not similar for that object. Okay, get it? Okay, this is a self-practice, so you can try to determine whether these objects are similar. So you can look at this one, the side, because for triangle, okay, for triangle, okay, we back to the, actually for triangle, kita boleh dapat yang similar because just determine the what the angle. So here actually we get 60. Okay, 60. This one also 30. So same angle, right? All are same. Okay, all are equal angle. So this is a similar object. What about this one? Okay, ini kita nampak this is the isosceles triangle. This is the equal triangle. So this one not similar. What about this one? 100. Okay, actually this one is a parallel line. Mostly this one is parallel line. So a parallel line, so we can get the what? The angles here. 180 minus 110, so we get 70. 70. This one we get 120. Okay. If you look at the side, is that we can get the same ratio, 10 divided by 6. 10 divided by 6, we get 5/3. 5/3. If 15 divided by 9, okay, we can get 5/3 as well. Okay, the side we can get the same ratio, but for the angle, no. Okay, we cannot get the same angle, or the angle is not equal. So this one not similar. Okay, and then look at D. Okay, look at the angle. Actually this is the quadrilateral. So the anterior angle of quadrilateral is 360. So 360 minus 34 minus 100 minus 90. So we get 136. Okay, same as this shape. Okay, so that means here is 34. Okay, now we look at the what side. Okay, 12 equal to 8. So 12 divided by 8. So we get 12 divided by 8. We get 1.5. 1.5. What about the others? This one equal to this one, 3. So 4.5 divided by 3. So 0.5 divided by 3. So we still can get 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Okay, what about this one? Yeah, this one thing. Okay, so 9.3 divided by 6.2. Also 1.5. So this geometry objects are similar. Okay, that's how to determine the similarity of geometry object. First, you look at the angle, and then look find the angle must be, all the angle must be equal, and then we find the ratio of the side. Okay, the ratio of the side must be all equal. All right. Okay, next, number two. Yes. Okay, number two. Okay, number two, the pairs of similar object. So we can calculate from the determine from the grid, okay, or the units of the box. Okay, so this one. Okay, first look at the shape. Which one is the same shape or equal shape? This one, A, like equal to I, isn't it? But we need to determine the length of side first. This is 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means the ratio is 2. 2 times 2. Okay, what about this one? I think this one, yes. This one we can come from here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So we get 5 here. So that's mean here also. Actually, we can get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the pairs of A is I. And then what else? B, maybe something like G. Okay, we count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So means 4 over 3. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3. So 4 over 3. This one, we get 6. And then we get 4.5. 4.5. So 6 divided by 4.5. Actually, we get 4 over 3 as well. So B and G. Okay, I mark different mark. Kejap. Tak boleh hilang. Okay. Different mark. B and G. Okay, what about C? Any pairs of C? C like a H, right? So look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 4 or 4 over 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 over 4. Okay, we get 3 over 2. Is that same? Yang tadi 4 over 3. 4 over 3. Atau 4 over 3. 4 over 3. And then yang satu lagi, we have 6. 6 divided by 4. Kita tak dapat 4 over 3. So is that similar? I think not similar, isn't it? Okay, not similar. If you count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 4. I think this one is similar. And then another one, D and F. D and F. We can count this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3 over 2. Okay, this one, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 2. So this one also similar. Okay, get it wrong? Okay, we proceed to relationship between similarity and enlargement and how to describe enlargement. Okay, we just proceed to this activity. Okay, this one we want to make the connection between similarity and enlargement. Okay, kesamaan dengan pembesaran. Alright, so for this one, okay, we look at okay, what we want to do for this activity. Observe the diagram below. Okay, ABC, ABC2, ABC3 are the image of triangle ABC under enlargement. So what we want to do, connect the corresponding points or the image. So mark the intersection point between 3 straight lines as point P. Okay, actually how? Point A with the A, like this lah. So ini guna pembaris lah. I cannot do properly because I not use ruler. Okay, something like this. C and C, B and B, all the B and B. Okay, for this one, BC, C must be and with C. Okay. Macam ini. A with A. Okay. So we can find the intersection line. So denote as a P. So look at the solution. The result. So the result is like this. Something like this lah. Okay, so so the result of this activity, the object and the image under an enlargement are similar. So enlargement is a transformation. Okay, a transformation which all the point of an object move from fixed point with a constant ratio. So that is the enlargement, like this. Okay, dia point ini bertemu dengan point yang sama. Okay, dan bertemu pada satu titik center, pusat titik dia. So this we call center of enlargement. So tadi from that activity we get this is the center of enlargement. Okay, because this is the intersection line. Okay, and then from other activity, okay, this one we find the ratio. Actually kita dah buat find the ratio, how to find the ratio kan. for the side. Okay, so from this activity, actually we get the same ratio. Okay, the same ratio. So the ratio represented by scale factor. Okay, where PA prime, if you look at the PA prime, means from the center, PA divided by or over PA. So the PA prime yang ada tanda prime ni, this one is prime ni, yang tanda prime ni kita sebut prime lah. Okay, the PA prime is the image. So means yang atas ini is image, okay, dan yang bawah ini adalah object. Okay, so look at in the general of the formula of scale factor. Okay, the scale factor is K, okay, small letter K. So equal to distance or point of image from P, like this. From P to the image. This line to the image. Okay, or this line to the image. And then divided by distance or point of object from P. So this line, point A to the P, A to the P. Okay. Or the scale factor equal to length of sight of image yang kita buat di atas ni. Yang ini kita buat ni. Panjang sisi dia apa? Okay. Over by length of sight of object. So cikgu boleh concludekan dia, simplify dia. Yang atas itu image, yang bawah itu object. Okay? Boleh faham? Okay. This is the properties that you can take this as your guidance, okay, to determine or to recognize the image or the object. Okay, look at this one. Okay, the difference of scale factor have different effects on enlargement. Okay, different scale factors have different effects on enlargement. Okay, look at this. The K, if K more than 1, so that's mean the image is larger than object, like this. Okay. Okay, if K equal than 1, so that's mean object and image are equal in size. Okay, equal in size. And then if K less than 1 but more than 0, means like 0.1 or 1/2. Okay, 1/2, 1/3, okay, less than 1. So the object is bigger than image, or the image is smaller than object. Okay, and if K less than 0 but still more than -1, if we get the scale factor in negative value, so that's mean the image and the object at the opposite side, like this, opposite side, And don't forget, okay, if the negative value for the scale factor, the image is inverted to the object. Okay, inverted. Dia terbalik. Dan berada di sisi yang bertentangan. Okay, then if k equal to -1, so the image at the opposite side and inverted but in same size. Okay, for if k less than -1, so that means less than -1 means -2, -3, -4, okay? Because -2 is smaller than -1, isn't it? So if k less than -1, so the image is bigger than object, but the image and the object are at the opposite side. Okay, opposite side. And then forget, if negative value, the image is inverted. Okay, look at this example. Alah, tak nampak. Too small. Okay, look at the example. This is how to find the center of enlargement. We do the straight line, join the point R with the R prime until we find the intersection point. So this is the center of enlargement. Okay, if you look at this one, okay, this one, the image and the object at the different side, opposite side. So you must do like this. Okay, so if you find the cross or the intersection line, so that is center of enlargement. Okay, because in this question we know that the prime, the tanda prime ni, mostly that is the image. Tapi soalan ni dia suruh apa? Soalan ni dia suruh describe the enlargement by determining the scale factor and the center of the enlargement. So that means we know that the red color shape is the image. Okay, this one we can try lah. Okay, well, you can try this one. It is given that R prime, dia sudah bagi R prime is the image. So maksudnya ya ini adalah image lah. Okay, yang merah tu image. So describe the enlargement of each following. So describe the enlargement means you need to find the scale factor. Scale factor dia, kita boleh kira dia punya side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 divided by 3. Kalau ke dalam grid ni, dia sudah bagi tahu ini objek, ini image. So tak payahlah kira semua dia punya sisi, ambil satu saja. So kita dapat dia punya scale factor dia adalah 2. And then how to find the center of Enlargement, ambil pembaris, buat macam gini, gariskan sampai dia bertemu antara satu sama lain. Okay, something like that lah. Kan cikgu punya ni tak betul sangat. Okay, so dia punya center of enlargement, okay, center of enlargement, cikgu tulis CE, center of enlargement dia equal to berapa ni? Negative 4. Kita boleh tulis koordinat dia because this shape draw on the grid. So negative 4, ini berapa? Kalau ni negative 5, so it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Something like that lah. So kamu boleh buat sendiri, cuba sendiri. Okay, cikgu tunjuk yang ini macam mana. Ini kita boleh kira 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 over 2 is 2. So the scale factor is 2. What about the center of enlargement? Okay, look at this one. Actually, this is the intersection point. Intersection point. So this is the center of enlargement. Okay, you can try all this. Okay. Yang ini pun sama. Sama je cara dia. Okay. Okay lah. So kamu boleh cuba as your exercise. Any question? No, okay. So I think that's all for today. So kita tidak. Jangan. Keluar dulu. Okay. Itu saja hari ini. Semoga kita jumpa lagi minggu depan. Okay. Bye-bye.